Hello folks, we are here today to explain the differences between the assessment of and assessment for learning.
Assessment of learning occurs to sum up achievement at a particular point in time. It occurs after learning has happened. However, assessment for learning happens when learning is still underway. So, the purpose of assessment for learning is to improve learning while there is still time to act.
So an example of assessments of learning is standardized testing, achievement test, placement tests, and normal testing. And an example of assessment for learning is where the teacher implements self-assessment tasks for the students to review their own progress. Rick Stiggins states in his second chapter, Assessment of and for Learning, dozens of studies at all levels of instruction show that the effect of assessment for learning on student achievement is 4 to 5 times greater than the effect of reduced class size. In other words, continually checking for understanding is better for student learning than other strategies to improve student learning.
So assessing for learning has shown the most gain from the lowest achievers in the classroom, making the most effective means of assessing students.
So, what does this look like in the classroom? Stiggins gives us 7 strategies for assessment for learning that we can implement in our classroom. 1. We can provide our students with a clear and understandable vision of the learning target. 2. Use example and models of strong and weak work. 3. Offer regular descriptive feedback. 4. Teach students to self-assess and set goals. 5. Design lessons to focus one aspect of quality at a time. 6. Teach students focused revision. 7. Engage students in self-reflection and let them keep track of and share their learning. This is easy if you focus your classroom strategy upon 3 questions. Where are they now? Where are they going? And how do they get there?
We encourage you as future educators to implement more assessment for learning into your classrooms. Not only will this help your students, this will also improve your instruction as a teacher. Have the students self-assess often and check your students' understanding often. Neil and Gandhi out. Excuse me.